Dear students, good morning to you all. Welcome back to the GK class. Dear students, do you visit places of worship? Yes. Do you remember Bunny? Yes. Our Bunny plans to visit some places of worship. Write the names of the states or union territories he should go to. Okay, let's look. First one, Vaishno Devi Temple. Vaishno Devi is a temple located in Katra at Trikuta Mountains within the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir. Okay, let's look next place. Ajmer Sharif. Ajmer Sharif, located at Ajmer, Rajasthan. It is famous the world over for attracting millions of devotees who seek the Sufi saint's blessing. Let's look next place. Tirupati Temple. Tirupati Temple is situated in the hill town of Tirumala at Tirupati in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, next one. Haridwar. Haridwar. Haridwar is an ancient city and important Hindu pilgrimage site in North India's Uttarakhand state. Okay, next place. Golden Temple. Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib. It is located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab, India. Okay, next place, Bodh Gaya. The Bodh Gaya Temple is located in Bihar state. It is one of the holiest sites of Buddhism. Okay, let's look next place. St. Francis Church. St. Francis Church in Fort Kochi, Kerala. And it is one of the oldest European churches in India. Next one, Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple is a historic temple located in the southern bank of Vaigai River in the temple city of Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, let's look next topic. Sports Day. It is Sports Day in Jungle School. Name the sports in which Bunny, Joe and their friends are taking part. Okay, let's look that sports. First one, polo. Polo game played on horseback between two teams of 4 players, each who use mallets with long flexible handles to drive a wooden ball down a grass field and between 2 goal posts. Okay, next sports. Weightlifting. Weightlifting is the activity of lifting heavy bars to strengthen the muscles either for exercise or in a competition. Next sports, snooker. Do you know snooker game? Yeah, snooker is a cue sport. It is played on a rectangular table covered with a green cloth, with pockets at each of the 4 corners and in the middle of each long side. Okay, let's look next sports. Volleyball. I think everyone know this game. Volleyball is a team sport in which 2 teams of 6 players are separated by a net. It has been a part of the official program of the Summer Olympic Games since Tokyo 1964. Okay, let's look next sports. Archery. Archery is the art, sport, practice or skill of using a bow to shoot arrows. Okay. Next sports, rowing. Rowing. Rowing is the act of propelling a boat using the motion of oars in the water by displacing water to propel the boat forward. Okay, dear children, let's look next topic. India at the Olympics. India at the Olympics. Dear children, all of you look at the picture. Do you know her name? Yes, Mary Kom. She was born in Manipur. She also been awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2013. Mary Kom is the only Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal. Okay, let's look next picture. Who is this? Can you guess? Yes, she is PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu represented India at the 2016 Summer Olympics, becoming the first Indian badminton player to reach a final. Dear children, do you know India has won 8 gold medals in hockey in the history of Olympics, which is the highest among all nations. Okay, let's look next picture. Who is this? Yeah, Sakshi Malik. Sakshi Malik is an Indian freestyle wrestler at the 2016 Summer Olympics. She won the bronze medal in the 58 kg category, becoming the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at the Olympics. Okay, dear children, let's look next topic. Work it out. Take the correct pictures. Okay. First one. Which of these is sometimes yellow and sometimes green? Which is the correct answer? All of you look at the picture. Yes, mango. Please tick here. Dear students, please you read the other statements and tick the correct pictures. Okay, this is homework. Dear children, let's look next topic. What's wrong? Welcome to Animal Land. Here, animals do what we do. They read, work on computers, water plants and so on. However, there are at least 10 things wrong in this picture. Find them and tell your partner how they should be. Okay? Please look at the picture and find out which is the wrong things. 10 things wrong. Please you look which is. Okay? I just show one example. Then you find out the other wrong pictures. Okay? Dear children, all of you look at this picture. What do you see? Yes, the rabbit is reading the book. But here the rabbit reads the book upside down. So it is wrong. Okay? Okay, dear children. All of you take your textbook and write these activities in your textbook only. Page number 18. Holy holidays. Write the names of the states or union territories Bunny should go to. Choose from the box. This is activity 1. Then activity 2, Sports Day. Page number 19. Write the correct letters in the circles. This is activity 2. Then activity 3, India at the Olympics. India at the Olympics. Page number 20. Fill in the blanks with words from the brackets and tick the correct answers. This is activity 3. Next, homeworks. Page number 22. Work it out. Then page number 23. Zip zap zoom. Look carefully at this picture and the pieces of the above picture are mixed up below. Number each piece correctly. This is homework. Next homework, page number 24. What's wrong? Okay, write these activities in your textbook only. Okay, then write these activities in your notebook. Okay, dear children, all of you read the lesson carefully and find out the answers and write the answers in your notebook. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next class.